Hey friends, we finally have a warm day here in Colorado. It's time to give this Sprinter van a good wash. Now there's a couple things I want to use because the Sprinter van is so big. I'm going to use a pressure washer, a foam gun, and some really good cleaning product. So to get this job done, we're going to be using the Sunjoe pressure washer. Now here's a closer look at the suds we're using. This is Ultra Suds Ceramic Wash. It's made by 303. You can see it's an all-in-one wash that foams and protects. Now the mixture is going to be 1 ounce per 1 gallon of water. Now this Sunjoe pressure washer includes a little foam cannon down here at the bottom as an attachment. So let's go ahead and pull that out. Let's get it hooked up to the main pressure washer. Now the mixture calls for 1 ounce for every gallon, but remember, using a pressure washer, we're going to force water up through the gun and then it's going to mix with the suds as it's coming out. So that's why I'm using so much. I'm filling it basically just a third of the way at this point to try it out. And then again, we're going to run a bunch of water all the way through here while we are using the gun. Okay, we've got a pressure washer all hooked up. We've got the foam cleaner all ready. It's time to give this a good test on the van. Let's try her out. Right, as you can see, that's working really great. It's foaming up nice and good. We're gonna get the power wash out after this and give it a good spray down. It actually smells really nice too. Okay, as you can see, we've got the whole van foamed up now, and we've only used about half the cleaner that we put into this reservoir. Let's go ahead and swap out the nozzles and get that pressure washer on there to wash everything off. There you go, friends. That is a nice, simple way to get the van clean. Now, using this 303 wash, we noticed that some of the really deep, dirty, grimy stuff, you really do need to get in there and hand scrub those areas. But for most just surface level dirt, it's been super easy to get that foam on there, wash it off with the pressure washer. Definitely a fun, cool, easy way to get the van a lot more clean. We'll put some links for these products in our description box below. Stay tuned, friends. We're making a bunch more of these product review videos, DIY tutorial videos to make your life just a little easier. We'll see you again on the next one.